How to apply for a Truist credit card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply for a Truist credit card online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Truist Bank. Now here on the search result, you just have to click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Truist Bank. Now here you simply have to log in with your credential and after that you simply have to go to the credit card section and there you simply have to browse cards and pick the one that fits your goal. And with that, you simply have to open the card page and read rates and fees, rewards, bonus terms, and eligibility. And with that, you need to also check about the annual fee and intro offers before you apply. And once you're done with that, you simply have to click on apply now. And if asked, you need to choose existing client or new to Truist. And after that, you need to provide your full name, date of birth, social security number, address, and email and phone number. And with that, you can also add employment and annual income list, house payment like rent or mortgage. And after that, you need to select paperless or communication preferences if offered. And with that, you need to review the card member agreement and e-signing notice and credit check authorization. And once you're done with that, you need to confirm everything is accurate. And once you're done with it, you just have to click submit and you will see an instant decision, a pending review, or a request for document like ID or proof of income. So watch for it and after approval, it will show you a welcome email and card delivery. So there you can enroll in Twist online and set up your auto pay alerts and add the card to your digital wallet. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.